Welcome back. We've got a couple of special guests in studio here to tell us about Dream Theater's latest production. I'm super excited about this one, Alice in Wonderland, and Saya and Lauren joining us this morning. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, thank you.
Now you play the roles of the Hatter and Alice.
Yes.
Tell me what makes this production different than what we might be used to going to see Alice in Wonderland.
The biggest thing is that our Alice is an adult. Instead of a young girl, we're fast forwarding in her life, and as if she's been having this Wonderland dream her whole life. And now she's going through it as an adult. All the Wonderland characters only exist while she's sleeping and dreaming. And so we're going through all the scenes trying to find a way to convince Alice to stay in Wonderland forever.
Are they convincing?
Yes, yes, they sure do try.
Yes.
Another interesting aspect of our show is that it's set in the late 1960s.
Yes.
Oh, interesting.
So you'll see a lot of costuming for that period, and our set is very elaborate and it's pretty groovy. So.
That's cool. The 60s version.
Yeah.
All
Yes.
right, I like that. Okay, are we going to see the same characters that we would expect to see in Alice in Wonderland, or any surprises?
Pretty much. I'm very happy to say that we have almost all of the book characters. I'm really excited that we have the Mock Turtle and the Griffin.
All the favorites,
so all the
for
favorites,
sure.
yeah. There's definitely more in than not.
All right. Well, let's talk about your roles as the Hatter. How did you find yourself getting ready for this role and filling the role of? I mean, Johnny Depp played the Hatter,
right?
So,
Of course,
we got some big shoes to fill here.
and that's the version that I grew up with, and Hatter's always been my favorite. And so it was actually about a year ago, maybe a little bit more, that I was talking to our director. Her name's also Stephanie. And she was talking about wanting to direct Alice in Wonderland. It hadn't happened yet. And I said, if you do, I want to play the Hatter. So here we are, and I got the part. But yeah, it has been really fun to research who the Hatter may have been originally inspired by, learning about Mad Hatter's disease and what exactly drove Hatters mad back in the 1800s. And of course, been studying Johnny Depp very closely.
Yeah. I bet it'll be exciting to watch you do this for sure. What about your role, Lauren, as Alice?
Well, I feel Alice is really the vessel for Wonderland. She created it, and so I just try to, I don't know, supply the space for my fellow actors to bring all of those really lovable characters to life, while still being a little more dynamic, because I'm an adult now, and there's some stuff going on in Alice's life that's a little frustrating. So pulling from my own experiences to put into her is something that I've been trying to do as well.
That'll be an interesting change. All right, real quickly, let's give the rundown of when and where, what's the cost to attend, and I do know this is PG-13 as well.
Yes.
Yes, Dream Theater in downtown Joplin. It'll be next Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the 22nd through 24th. You can get tickets at showtix4u.com.
And that link is on the Dream Theater Facebook page.
Correct.
Awesome.
And they're just $20.
All right, sounds like a great show to attend. I'm excited about it.
So are we.
Thank you guys for coming in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll say it, break a leg.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.